Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I brought you another new mining extension. This one works for AI and you don't have to share bandwidth or anything like that. This concept is a bit different. When you use any AI, you don't get anything in return right now. But if you use any AI model like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any other AI model, all you have to do is chat with it. You just have to use that AI. In return, this extension will allow you to earn. Yes guys, the name of this project is Mention Network. And what you're seeing here with Mention Network is use AI every day, start earning from it. So if you're someone who uses AI every day and who doesn't use AI these days, every single person is using AI. If you could earn something in return for that, it's like hitting two targets with one arrow. So if you want, you can visit their website for more details. If you visit their X profile, you'll see they only have 5.4k followers right now, which means we're joining super early in this project. Also, if you scroll down, you'll notice they are active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, first you need to sign in using your X account, so click login with X. Then authorize the app. And here you'll see the dashboard like this. Next, you need to download their extension. I'll provide the link in that Telegram post. Also, if you visit their website, simply click on Start Earning and you will find this extension. As you can see, they only have 2000 users right now, so simply download and install the extension. After that, open the extension and sign in using the same X account. You can also use a wallet to sign in, so click Connect X to start. Then authorize the app. And it's done. Here in this extension, you will see lots of AI projects you can use to earn rewards. To land on the dashboard, simply click here. And you will land on the dashboard again. So open ChatGPT or any other AI tool you want, then go back to the dashboard. Here you need to copy any of these prompts, paste them into ChatGPT and press enter. Now wait a bit for ChatGPT to reply. After the reply, you'll see your points will count here. For easier use, open the extension and click here to open the slide panel. Then go back to ChatGPT. Copy any of these questions and paste them here. After ChatGPT replies to your question, you will see your points will be added. So back to the dashboard and here you will see your points. After some time, you will also see the points on your extension. Also click on the voyage section. Here you will see your total earnings. You'll also find some basic tasks such as following their social media. For example, let's click follow Mention Network. Then follow their X profile. Go back, verify. And it's done. Similarly, you need to join their Telegram and Discord. Also, here you'll see your milestones and leaderboard options to see your ranking. Finally, click on the referral section. Here you'll find your referral link, which you can share with your friends and community to get some extra rewards. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.